I'm Mark Smith. I was diagnosed with severe depression and anxiety a little over 10 years ago.
I'm Catherine Evans and I'm Mark's boss.
It's been a bit of a learning curve for both of us. For yourself, it was almost a new concept, a new issue to deal with.
Yeah, I mean, I must admit, when you sort of first approached me and told me that you had depression, I had no experience of it at all, and I was a bit worried about the fact that I didn't know anything about it. I didn't know what was the right thing to say. I didn't know what it actually meant in terms of how that would affect you at work. So I did go away and do quite a lot of homework and find out more about it.
Because there have been times when no 2 days are the same.
Yeah.
Because there are sometimes sort of phases of the illness where I don't know what I'm going to be like, what Mark Smith I'm going to have from one day to the next, let alone other people.
Yes. Yeah, and I suppose because I know a little bit now about depression, I sort of take that in my stride, if you like. I think what I find is that because we can talk about depression and we can manage things in a way that you're better able to deal with your depression, actually, as a business, we get a much better performance out of you. Other businesses who don't want to talk about it and don't want to know and sort of have the attitude that it's nothing to do with me, I just want the job to get done, they're missing a trick, because I think you actually get more from people.
Yeah. I think they know that by me talking and knowing that I've got the knowledge that I can talk to them about it without them being discriminatory towards me in any way, means that I can go about my business, I can be myself, and I can work to the best of my ability at all times.
Absolutely, and that's what we want.